Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana, and today we will discuss about job opportunity again. Before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar. If you are new to the channel, then we are Jobkar, and we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and placement preparation related videos. So if you are one who are searching for job, this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. And today we will talk about summer internship from Infosys. So Infosys has announced their summer internship, and this is LinkedIn hiring. Okay, so Infosys has announced summer internship, and this will be a work from home job. We will check all the opportunity that there has. So the duration of this internship will be 8 weeks, and mode of internship will be remote or site, subject to COVID 19 guidelines. So because of whatever pandemic happens, इसकी वजह से आपका जो है ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम होगा. देन हाइलाइट्स देख लेते हैं. सो वर्क ऑन रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट्स mentored by Infosys senior leadership, and each student work directly with a mentor and his team through the internship, and projects are offered in trending areas such as AI, big data analytics and machine learning, cyber security, business case development and business planning, consulting, and go to market strategy, to name a few. Okay, so you will be working on the real time project, like you will have so much working experience in this summer internship, and you choose your project. So you choose a project of your choice on the in a step portal at this link, that is https colon slash and www.infosys.com/in step. Okay, now build connections with top talent. So build your network across the globe, since in step gives you platform to work with the students from top universities in the world. Okay, so this will be your connections building. Okay, now from in paper or to in from in stepper to Insucoin, so a great avenue to land a full-time position. So this is a chance to connect your internship into a full-time opportunity at any of the Infosys offices spread across 50 countries. Internship would subsequently transit to into a full-time BDE role and with Infosys after they graduate. So depending on your performance, if you perform really good, then they will convert your offer to full time. Okay, now join RH network of 2650 ex interpreters. So in a step is a 2022 year strong prestigious program wherein alumni of the program are notable figures with organizations across the globe, a great avenue to connect them. Okay, now explore India and its fascinating culture virtually. So at an step, we give you an exciting option to learn about India, its transitions and languages, dance forms, etc. So basically, you will be at your home, but you will be exploring virtually all the India, because you will work with different cultures people. Okay, so this is all about the summer internship. So if you want to apply for this job, then you need to click here on easy apply, then you can apply directly with LinkedIn. Okay, so I will provide this link in a description box. They have not given any criteria, but all these students who are pursuing BTech or any degree, because they have not given any criteria. So who all these students can apply for this job. So do apply, because this will be a good add-on to your profile, because you will get real-time work experience, and that will be a good count. Okay, so do apply and make the most of it. I will provide the link in the description box, and this is all for today's video. If you like the video, you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.